Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, January 24th, 2024. Let's take a look at Ethereum to Tether. This is a daily time frame chart on Zondacrypto and we are using the Japanese candlestick. So what's happened just recently? As you can see, we got the price drop from the level of 2,720 towards the recent low made at 2,177. So this level actually is very close to the middle of this range zone. This old range zone, which is basically located between 2,440 and let's say one more level will be, of course, this low, which is 2,104, roughly 336 tethers. So right now we are just about the middle of this zone. Why? Because that was previously very important zone for the market participants. Then we got the breakout towards the new high, and this new high, let's just mark it here. So we got the new high 2,720 and this new high will act as a technical resistance for now, and we deteriorated even further. So what was the price range from the very top to the last bottom? Is roughly around 20%, is almost exactly minus 20%. So pretty solid correction, 25% is, and it's definitely the biggest correction here. So that's not 20%, that's bigger than this one, that's bigger than this one, and this one. So it looks like for the year 2023, if we just take a look at the beginning of the uptrend on the Ethereum. So if we take this low here and then consider, for example, that correction, that would be bigger one, right? Because this would be like 40%, 50%, something like this, I guess. One more. There you go, 46%. And the other one, if we take a look here, for example, and made it towards here, it's 28%. So 20% from the top is not that bad. Nevertheless, what we would like to avoid is the situation when this correction goes here, which is apparently, as you can see, 29%. Then we go a little bit up. Then we have another correction coming, right? So we get, for example, another, let's say, 30% correction. And then, of course, we got this high, and let's say we got another, let's say, together 35%. Correction, right? So we don't want to see this, of course, on the chart, but hey, you never know what the next correction will be, how deep the next correction will be, and how long it takes. As you can see here, we got first bounce, we got first sell-off, then the bounce, then the sell-off, then the bounce, then the sell-off, and we almost retraced let's say 70-80% of this whole upward movement here. And it took this is the, oh, let me just take the tool, and as you can see, it took roughly 88 days, so almost 3 months. Well, that's a little bit of the game changer here, because the market of the Ethereum is well known for this long periods of the correction, of this long periods of the I'm talking about the time, not the price, right? Long periods of the correction. If you take the previous, for example, let's say if we take only this one, to that it's 60 bars, right? So it's roughly 2 months again. And even if we take the correction from here to here, it's again 91 bars. It's again 3 months. So we have made this correction, right, in less than a month, I guess. I'm pretty much convinced that there will be like 2 weeks or something. There you go, 11 bars only. So we are just at the beginning of this correction on the Ethereum based on the situation with the previous correction. So if we draw any conclusions from the past, we can see that the average correction would be something around 70 days. Big correction, big swing correction would be something about 70 days. So we should be prepared that this market, this down market, might be in the corrective cycle for next at least few weeks. Okay, so that would be in line with the let's say Bitcoin halving event that will take place in the middle of the April 2024. So we got roughly around, let's say roughly around 12, 11 weeks before the Bitcoin halving. So that would be another, let's say, 2 months, maybe 2.5 months before we will have the major event of 2024 that could benefit the Ethereum by increasing the market volatility and getting the Ethereum out of the corrective cycle. Nevertheless, on the other hand, it might turn out that the market will reverse very, very quicker, and this is a good sign for all of the bulls. If we can recover from this correction and make new yearly high above 2,700 and 2,300, sorry, 2,720 actually, in less than, let's say, 59 bars, which is 59 days, then it's an indication that the uptrend is actually very, very strong, and we should consider this uptrend as a main market mover for the next few months at least. So guys, please stay focused, stay vigilant, and please be prepared that the market, if the market will not reverse soon after this very sharp 20% correction is done, then we might wait for another weeks for the market to resume the uptrend, finally eventually resume the uptrend above 2,720. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.